We played them on Moscow, so I have no clue how that plays, but
Yo, Dark.
Yeah.
yo, hit middle door. GA or rather GA. You have the trophy.
Wait, you said GA?
Yep.
Okay. Make this fucking quick and I'm waiting for a flight. I got you, Dubs. I got you.
Nothing shelled. Here's a B, I think.
That's what I assumed.
I'm repping B-ball. Nothing tiki that I see. Oh, one's planning. Hold on. I lied.
Fuck.
What the fuck are these kids doing? Back on just shit on tremendously.
Ring.
Nice, Fizz. Oh man, don't defuse that. I need you to see my kill.
I think it was too long for you to get the 2
Well,
points. No?
Oh well.
I'm a rich motherfucker to the bitch I love her.
A radiant
Instead of
top
laundry,
100.
I got bomb.
Laundry? Okay.
Yeah.
What's up, Dark?
I just found a radiant 100, like under 100 rank on Val to
Nice.
carry me.
Nice. There's one here, Connor. I swear.
Oh yeah.
You got me. I was going to hit from mid. Dumb shit.
Hello.
It's Phantom. Post.
It's either mansion or art.
Nade A, hit B.
No, it's too obvious.
What? Connor.
I saw him.
No, you didn't.
You could clearly see him.
No, you didn't.
Look.
Never mind.
Like, are you kidding me? I was like, am I just like seeing through walls?
Oh, no wonder you asked me to play one last tourney, bro. Fuck me.
I'm going black van here, right?
Yeah.
Both here. Fuck me. Cold's in ring. Other one's outer ring.
Could they already be in laundry yet?
They're probably getting there now. Check them up, bomb. What the fuck? Kids are so strange. These kids are weirdos. You could try to hop that. Okay, check that corner. Yep, I know it. Easy fucking read. What?
What?
Wow, other one was right behind.
Thank you.
I don't.
Good
How
pick,
did
Lord.
I get out?
I'm a fucking rat, Connor.
Alright, big round right here. This is like the pull away round.
Yep.
Yo, hit mid, I'll watch you. Either
I'm gonna hit this shit fast, bro.
you can hit through into zig.
Yeah.
Alright, bet. I got nothing there.
Did anything cross?
No, I didn't check it. I'm going B. You're gonna have to get A checks. Alright?
Oh, I just went B, bro.
That's rotating back to middle. Oh, he's chasing me. He's in basketball. He's turning around looking at this, looking your way. Sub. Could grab my AR. The bomb is down basketball side of the bomb. He low-key might fake the rep to A. I think he comes back B low-key, yeah. That's some shit he would do. Blended laundry. No way he wraps this. What the hell is he doing? Yeah, these kids, I don't like unless the bomb. If he planted for mid, I could see him wrapping that.
Yeah.
But I don't
Maybe
see
he
these
planted
kids
mid,
wrapping
then
away
yeah,
from.
but-
Yeah. Or the opposite, like he would wrap through mid to laundry, maybe.
Yeah. Hashtag. Yeah, McChicken. Hashtag large fry.
Let's do the mid. Let's do the pillars play. I'll chow your mid.
I think you had a better spawn for it, by the way, but.
I'll get you. Nothing. Let's go A. Try to work a little laundry pinchy. Rocks. I'm stunning the van.
Dude, you play so annoying. Top laundry.
Yeah, these kids are bitches. Why didn't you mean to jump that?
I think it's gonna be under you, bro. Some dumb shit right here. Oh. Top.
Dude, I'm losing my mind, bro.
These guys just love rotating.
Someone fucking chow me.
One's gonna be mid.
Oh, but
I love doing that, bro. Yo, I just got out of class. What's good, Aiden? You're hot. Even though my camera's off, I appreciate it, man. Double jump in.
Alright,
yeah, we can.
Love you, Max. Wait, Max, watch us win this tournament real quick.
No.
I'll come back for it. I'll come back for it. B or A?
I would be.
Needed from like Guatemala. Money?
I got him weak, bro.
Don't know we on him. Make him earn it.
Fine. Switch it up.
Easy.